Hi all. So we talk a lot about water manifestation during the full moon and the new moon days. So today I will teach you how to do water manifestation. What you need is a glass of water. Now this glass can be a silver glass, steel glass, or a glassware glass. But I would insist that take a silver glass. Why do I say so? Because we are trying to evoke and activate the water element of our body and outside our body. And silver metal is closely associated to water element, to moon energies, to Venus energies. Okay, so this is the closest association, and so the attraction happens faster, quicker, and the results will be seen sooner. So this is one of the things. Second, what do you need? Now take small affirmations, things that you have been wanting but you have not been energetically working towards them. It can be as simple as, within this week I meet 10 new clients and who are happily and easily paying me for my services. So this is a doable thing. You would say, why not 50? Why do I do only 10? When I'm manifesting, let me manifest big. No, start with something small. When that will actually happen, you will believe in the system of water manifestation. So when this happens to you many times for your small affirmations and desires, definitely your body walks into the frequency of attracting things this way, and then you can manifest something that is truly magical, something that you feel was not at all possible within this much of time or so many days. Okay, and do it with full visualization and 100% surrenderance that yes, this works for me. Because the moment your energy comes into a frequency that whatever I am saying to the water, it is coming to me. The moment you are 110% sure that whatever you are doing is definitely coming to you, it does come to you. And this I am saying with lot of experience personally and with lot of work on my client's life. So I can vouch on this particular technique of manifestation. Okay, so you make a simple statement which should be in present tense as if it has happened to you. Like suppose if I am saying, I thank you universe that I met 10 new clients in this week, and all my clients were so happy with my services and they have paid me in full, and me and my client both are so happy. This is magical. Thank you universe. I love you universe. And say sorry to anything that you may have missed or energy that was not yours. So after saying your affirmation, always say this: I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. What happens is that it shifts you to a positive frame of mind. It aligns you in a good direction, and it minuses everything that is negative, that has not been working for you. So this is how you keep your aura and your manifestation pure and more higher frequency. So you can say this to the universe and drink the water. At least I would insist that say 7 times, 11 times, 21 times, or 43 times. Whatever is okay with you. Okay. Whatever you feel, you can do it consistently for at least 2 weeks. I would insist 2 weeks. Why? Because see, when you are working towards energy, first the water cleanses your inner self and let goes whatever has not been working, whatever has been refraining you from attracting that particular affirmation or manifestation, and then it starts working on attracting that. So everything has to get settled in your own body, in your own mind and soul. Okay, so that's why I am saying at least 15 days is what you should give yourself and do your water manifestation technique. Of course, this can become faster as you master this art, and it can become miraculous when you believe and achieve those small manifestations, and you will transform into a master manifestator where you can actually manifest something within a day or two. Okay, where you may master this art, and be able to actually attract magically. This is one thing. Now, second thing is, you can also keep a glass of water, chant your affirmation in present tense at least whatever number of times you have decided, and keep a lid and let this water rest overnight. After this is rested overnight, you can pick it up in the morning. The first thing that you do is drink this water, imagining and visualizing what you have affirmed in the night. Again, repeat, visualize it, believe in it, and drink this water totally. Do not share this water, because this is your manifestation. So either, if you're not able to drink the entire water, you can drink some water and add it to your drinking bottle, and you can drink it the entire day. You can also do this. Okay, happy manifestations to all of you, and please do try this water manifestation technique, and let me know whether it helped you, and how did you get the results, what did you feel like. And also DM me if you are stuck anywhere, if you are confused about something, if I have not made it clear in this video. You can always DM me and get to know. You have to double tap as an energy exchange to this water technique. Okay, bye bye.